How to set guides opacity on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Blackmagic Cam application. Okay, tap this. And Blackmagic Cam homepage, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap settings. In settings, scroll down and go to monitor section. Here in monitor section, you can see here the guides opacity. And the guides opacity is set into 25%. Okay, to change this or set this, you'll have to do is tap the guides opacity and you can see the option. Okay, you can set into 25%, 50%, 75%, or you can set into 100%. And okay guys, I decide to set into 75%, the guides opacity. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the guides opacity on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.